Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Banks and Brokerages Report. Today is Thursday, March 6, 2008. Investment bank Cowen Group said Kim Fennebresque is retiring as chief executive effective immediately. Fennebresque will become non-executive chairman after previously also serving as chairman, Reuters reports. The 57-year-old joined New York-based Cowen in March 1998 from UBS, where he had been head of the corporate finance and mergers departments. Cowen was spun off by Societe Generale in 2006. David Malcolm was named to replace Fennebresque as chief executive and appointed to Cowen's board of directors. Malcolm had previously been executive vice chairman and has worked for Cowen for 12 years. Staying with banks and brokerages news, Deutsche Bank named David Conroy managing director and America's head of trade, finance, and cash management corporates for its global transaction banking unit. Based in New York, Conroy will report to GTB's Marilyn Spearing, global head of trade, finance, and cash management corporates. Conroy has more than 20 years of transaction banking experience. He spent the last 8 years in senior management roles across cash, trade, and relationship management with Citibank Global Transaction Services. Prior to Citibank, Conroy held a number of leading transaction banking roles at Standard Chartered and JP Morgan Chase. And in banks and brokerages news overseas, the $6.3 billion purchase by HSBC Holdings of a stake in Korea Exchange Bank will not hinder market competition, the Fair Trade Commission said. According to Reuters, a commission spokesman added that the final decision on the deal belonged to the Financial Services Commission. HSBC had announced in early September that it agreed to buy a 51.02% stake in KEB from the private equity firm Lone Star. And in other banks and brokerages news in Asia, China's top brokerage by assets, CITIC Securities, is negotiating a bigger stake in Bear Stearns to reflect the U.S. investment bank's tumbling stock price, a CITIC executive told Reuters. The pair originally cut a deal to swap stakes last October. Kong Dan, chairman of CITIC Securities' parent CITIC Group, told reporters that talks would push ahead quickly, but gave no further details. Bear officials did not return calls seeking comment. A revised deal would likely make CITIC the largest shareholder of the number 5 U.S. investment bank. And that rounds out today's Banks and Brokerages Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Banks and Brokerages channel online and read the latest developments.